In Premiere Pro, whenever you want to paste a clip on your timeline, it will always paste it on the same exact track that you copied it from. So if I want to take this clip, for example, on sequence 2 and paste it on sequence 1, but at this part and not cut off this clip, it doesn't matter. It's going to cut the clip off anyway. You might think, well, that's what the track selectors are for. Why don't you just track select V2 and paste it? Doesn't work for whatever reason. It never ever works. You could select both of them, doesn't work. You could select one of them, doesn't work. So the way to do this is to set a custom keyboard shortcut so that you can lock all of your tracks at once. You can go up to Edit, go down to Keyboard Shortcuts, and up here on the 0 key, I have 2 commands set. One, lock and unlock all video tracks, and the other is a multiplier for when I hold the Alt key, lock and unlock all audio tracks. What this does now is when I push that button to lock all the video tracks, all of them lock. And now, if I wanted to paste this clip onto track 3, I will lock all the video tracks like this, unlock the one that I want to paste it on, and paste the clip. It will work every single time. Then just unlock all of the tracks and you're back to normal. The same thing works for audio. If I wanted to paste this clip to, let's say, audio track number 3 and video track number 2, I'll lock both sets of tracks, unlock 2, unlock audio 3, and paste. And it's that easy. I hope this has helped you. Leave a comment down below if it did, and I will see you guys in the next video.